What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add blur effect in Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, so what you want to do is get your image, okay, and then you want to duplicate it. So right click, duplicate it, and just put it under it, okay, and then click on the top one, and then you want to crop it, okay, and then uh, whatever is it that you're trying to blur, just crop it to it. For example, this Texas license plate. Okay, let's crop that to it. All right, and then you want to go here to where it says effects, then go to blur, and then you can just mess with the blurriness. So let's see, probably leave it at where it was. So like right there, okay, and that's it. You got the blur effect on. Okay, that's for image. Now, if you want to do videos, the same thing. Let's see, video. So you want to do the same thing. So copy, duplicate it. Just go ahead and drag it on here. Okay, and then same thing. Click on the top one, and then you want to hit crop, and then say you want to blur these people right here in the middle running. Okay. Oh, nope, no, move that. Go back. Okay, that's it. So let's see. I'll go a little bit this way. Blur that people. Okay, so it's selected and go to effects, blur, and then once again you can mess with it. I'll just leave it how it is right there. You can go up or down, whatever you like, right there, and then that's it. Okay. Now you can mess with it. So if you want to move it down here, or if you want to make it bigger, whatever you're trying to blur. All right, let's just do right there. Okay, and then play it, blur. Okay, and that's it, guys. How to add blur effect in Microsoft Clipchamp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.